Start.
Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I am really happy to get this opportunity to introduce myself and share a few things about my career journey. Myself, Azul Kobir Khalid, and I am from Khulna. I have completed my SSC from BN School and College with GPA 5 and my HSC from Khulna Public College with GPA 5. Currently, I am studying computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University and I am in third year. After completing my graduation, I want to become cybersecurity expert and I aim to contribute to improving the cybersecurity industry in Bangladesh. I am also interested in network engineering. Now let me talk about my skills. I am good at using Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint for documenting and reporting. In programming, I have knowledge of C, Java, Python and SQL. I have also completed the CCNA. I am passionate about cybersecurity and network engineering. During my academic journey, I have worked on several interesting projects such as SuperShop management system for managing sales and inventory and customer efficiency, library management system in Java to handle book records and student borrow requests, two networking models built using Cisco Packet Tracer for practice, and the RegiSmart system, a smart online registration platform. These projects taught me valuable lesson in teamwork, project management, and how to design software that actually helps people in real life. I always try to learn something new every day, whether it's improving my coding skill, exploring new design tools, or understanding software testing and cybersecurity better. My goal is to become a skilled cybersecurity. Thank you so much for listening to my introduction. Assalamu alaikum and have a wonderful day.